Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your brand with Google Ads, full guide step by step clearly. Create a Google Ads account if you haven't already. Set clear objectives for your campaign to protect your brand. Conduct keyword research to identify relevant terms related to your brand. Use Google's Keyword Planner for insights on search volumes. Identify negative keywords to avoid irrelevant searches. Set your budget based on your marketing goals and available resources. Choose the right campaign type that aligns with your objectives. Opt for search ads to capture intent-driven traffic. Consider display ads for increased brand visibility. Write compelling ad copy that highlights your brand strengths. Utilize ad extensions to provide more information and encourage clicks. Target your audience effectively based on demographics and interests. Set geographic targeting to focus on your desired locations. Implement brand protection keywords such as your brand name and variations. Use remarketing to reconnect with previous visitors to your website. Monitor your ad performance regularly using Google Ads reports. Make data-driven adjustments to maximize effectiveness. Utilize A/B testing to compare different ad versions. Optimize your landing pages to ensure a good user experience. Analyze competitors' strategies to refine your approach. Consider using automated bidding strategies for efficiency. Ensure compliance with Google's advertising policies to avoid penalties. Track conversions to assess the impact on your brand recognition. Stay informed about trends in online advertising for ongoing improvement. Regularly revisit and refine your campaigns based on performance data. Build a strong, consistent brand presence through your advertising efforts. Engage with your audience to foster brand loyalty. Adapt your strategies as needed to respond to market changes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.